not the most talked about item in your kitchen, but they certainly are important. It's pretty hard to do without them, of course, and I'm talking about those baking sheets. It's day 4 of 10 of days of clean, and today our partners at Real Simple are showing you how to get them spotless.
So I don't know about you, but for some reason it seems like no matter how much I wash my baking sheets, they still are incredibly gross.
Luckily, I just discovered a cleaning hack that will actually get them clean.
So if you want to give it a try, just grab some baking soda and some hydrogen peroxide. I'm going to walk you through the steps.
So the first thing you want to grab is some baking soda. And you're just going to sprinkle it pretty liberally all over the baking sheet, making sure that all of the stains are fully covered. Next, we're going to grab some hydrogen peroxide. Now, if you have a spray top, you're going to want to put that on so you can just spritz the hydrogen peroxide all over the baking soda. Now we're going to top this off with even more baking soda. Just sprinkle it all on. Don't be shy about it. Okay, cool. We're almost done. I'm just going to give it one more spritz with the hydrogen peroxide. Okay, so I think we're good to go. Now we just need some patience because you want to let this sit for at least 4 hours, up to overnight, and just let this mixture work its magic. So I'll see you guys in 4 hours. So now I've waited 4 hours. Actually, it's been more like 6 hours. And I'm ready to start scrubbing. Basically, if your sheet pans were just mildly dirty before, you can probably just take a soft sponge and wipe away all of the dirt and grime. But because I had really dirty sheet pans with some really tough stains, this is honestly gonna take some elbow grease. Like a lot of elbow grease. But if you just keep at it for a few minutes, it will start to remove most of the stains and stuck on grime. Now, you want to use a scrubby sponge and keep a bowl of water nearby so you can dip it in case you need to wet any of the baking soda. I'm not gonna lie to you, this does take a little bit of work. But do you see that? Some of the stains are starting to come out already. And just look at how dirty the baking soda is getting. It's definitely working.
Okay, so after just a couple minutes of scrubbing, I went back and touched up some spots with steel wool. Check it out, the baking sheet looks so much better.
All right.
I'm sure you guys have plenty of dirty baking sheets, yeah?
I actually do.
They get so messy so quickly.
I just throw them out and buy a new one.
What?
No, you don't. You're lying.
A metal one?
Yeah.
Well, whatever. You do what you gotta do, okay? Recycle, do something, but yeah.
I recycle. I mean, I don't throw them out.
Yeah,
There you
of course
go.
not.
And
My wife
tomorrow,
would kill me if she opened the trash and there was a baking sheet in there. She'd
I
be like,
would
what
kill
are you doing?
Don't do that. Okay.
That is sometimes easier than cleaning them though.
I
Once
understand.
they get so far, I mean, and I do clean them, obviously. I do my dishes.
Yeah, but then eventually it's time to part ways.
I just get a new one.
Well, my new tactic is I'm just going to invite Alina over and clean my whole house. Since you're the cleaning expert.
Oh, please. I'm gonna charge extra for you, that's for sure.